Realign your spine with chiropractic adjustments. What is a chiropractic adjustment? A chiropractic adjustment is a therapeutic procedure during which a licensed practitioner manipulates specific joints to restore proper alignment. Subluxations, or partial dislocations, of joints in the spine can cause widespread pain, stiffness, and radiculopathy. Restoring joints to their anatomically correct position works to release pressure off nearby nerves, increase range of motion, and decrease surrounding muscle tension and pain. What conditions can be treated with chiropractic care? Chiropractic adjustments have been shown to improve symptoms associated with a wide variety of conditions, including low back pain, neck pain, tension headaches, migraines, whiplash, disc issues, bursitis, sciatica, and arthritis. What to expect? During an initial evaluation, your doctor of chiropractic will likely conduct the following: a thorough patient history and symptoms, necessary imaging such as X-rays, general reflex, range of motion, and other diagnostic tests, diagnose a condition, determine a proper care plan and necessary interventions. Benefits: non-invasive and holistic, reduced stress levels, increased energy, improved range of motion, decreased pain and inflammation, and better posture. Myth versus fact. Myth: chiropractors aren't real doctors. Fact: at Alliance Orthopedics, all of our licensed chiropractors have earned their doctorate of chiropractic from accredited institutions, indicating that they've completed a rigorous curriculum of coursework, residencies under licensed doctors of chiropractic, and passed multiple national board examinations. Additionally, these experts pursue continuing education to maintain state licensure and ensure that their knowledge is up to date with the most recent scientific advancements. Myth: chiropractic adjustments are dangerous. Fact: chiropractic adjustments performed by a licensed and experienced provider are safe, holistic alternative to conventional pain management techniques that are associated with much greater risks and side effects. Additionally, the rates of injury and complications that can occur with chiropractic care happen at rates much lower than those with more traditional medical practices, such as prescription drugs or surgical procedures. Myth: once you start getting chiropractic adjustments, you will need them for the rest of your life. Fact: every patient's chiropractic care schedule is unique to their pain relief needs. Initially, your chiropractor may ask to see you on a regular basis, but switch to a maintenance schedule later on when your condition improves. To achieve optimal, long-lasting results, your chiropractor may suggest combining regular adjustments with physical therapy, occupational therapy, or other interventions like electrical stimulation, manual therapy, and exercise routines. Visit us online at allianceortho.com or give us a call at 201-509-8600 to begin your journey to a pain-free lifestyle with Alliance Orthopedics.